Hello students. Today I am going to explain chapter 2 of your GK book class 2. So, the second chapter is continents and ocean. Open page number 2 of your book. My dear children, there are 7 large areas of land on earth made up of 7 continents. And today here we will learn about those 7 continents. Question number 1 that is given in your book is name the continents. The continents are Australia, Asia, Europe, America, Antarctica, South America, and North America. Children, the answer is being broadcasted on the screen. The image that is displayed on the screen over here, you will find the same in your book. Students, what you will have to do, you will have to write the answer as it is displayed in serial order. Now, let me explain about continents. Continents are massive land masses found on Earth. The Earth has 7 such continents, largest in size to the smallest, and they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. In order to write from largest to smallest, let's start to explain like that. I'll explain you according to the largest to the smallest. The first one is Asia. Asia is the largest and most populous continent, surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean, and is divided into 49 countries. The next one is Africa. Africa with 54 countries, Africa is the second largest continent. North America. North America is the third largest continent and has 23 countries. Next comes South America. The Pacific Ocean borders South America to the west, and the Atlantic Ocean borders it to the east with 12 countries. Now, the next one is Antarctica. Antarctica is an ice-covered continent surrounded by the Southern Ocean. It is the windest, driest, and least populated. Beautiful penguins are found here. Next one is Europe. Europe is the third most populous with 50 countries. Now the last one is Australia. Australia Oceanic is the smallest continent. Kangaroos and koalas are found here. So I have explained you according to the serial order from largest to smallest. So now next question is question number 2, that is name the oceans. Now, what is ocean? An ocean is a huge body of salt water, and it covers nearly 71% of Earth's surface. They contain almost 98% of all the water on Earth. There is one world ocean, but it is divided into 5 main areas. The first one is Arctic Ocean, second one is Atlantic Ocean, third one Pacific Ocean, fourth one Indian Ocean, and fifth one Southern Ocean. This all you will have to fill into your book. Now question number 3. Take the correct answer. India is the biggest continent. That continent is, the options are Africa, Asia, and North America. The answer is Asia. Take the answer Asia. Next one. The smallest continent is, the options are Asia, Europe, Australia, and the answer is Australia. Next one. Third one. The biggest ocean is the options are Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, or Pacific Ocean. The answer should be Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the largest ocean in the world's list. Now, fourth question. The Indian Ocean is below Asia, between Africa and options are Europe, Australia, South America, and the answer is Australia. Fifth question. The ocean between South America and Africa is the options are Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, and the answer is Atlantic. Sixth one. The only continent that has no country is Antarctica, Africa, South America. And the answer is Antarctica. It is the southernmost continent. Next one. Seventh one. The Himalayas are in, options are Asia, Australia, South America. And the answer is Asia. Take it in your book. Asia. All the answers you will mark in your book also. Eighth one. The Nile is the longest river. It is in, options are Asia, Africa, C, North America. And according to the options, you will have to take any one. So the answer is Africa. Now, question number 4. A sea is much smaller than an ocean. Most seas are connected to oceans and are partially surrounded by land. Among A, B, C, D, and E, which do you think are seas? The answer is A, B, C, and E. And dear children, the sea is the interconnected system of all the Earth's oceanic water. Okay? These all answers you will mark in the book. You will revise it. Hope you have completed lesson 1 also. Complete this one and try to know more about ocean, sea, and continents. Thank you.